It's so cool, isn't it? But let's get into the video. Hi there pros, my name is BredzPro, and today I'm gonna show you something pretty cool. I'm gonna show you how to change the CSC code of your Galaxy phone. The CSC is the region code of your phone, and depending on what region code you have, different features may be enabled or you may get updates earlier than other regions. Well, if you're already here, you already have a reason to change your CSC. No warranty will be voided, nothing will happen to your phone, except all your data will be deleted. Gone forever. So I suggest you back up that stuff before. So let's get into it. Okay, so here we are. Please remember that your data will be wiped. So back up your data before doing this. Now, after backing up your data, open Play Store. There you have to search and install Google Phone. Install. Open it. Set it as default. Tap on the one with the blue icon, set as default. At the dialer, you have to type this. The code is in the description too. So, asterisk, let's just call this hashtag, asterisk, hashtag 272-62826, hashtag asterisk, hashtag asterisk. So here we are. Sorry for these lines that show up in the video. What you need to do is select the country you want it to change to. If you don't know what these characters mean, I have put a cheat sheet in the description. And after selecting the country, you click on install. Well, I'm not gonna do that obviously because I don't want to format this phone at the moment. But after installing it, it will wipe your data. And after it's booted, you will have your new country and the features that come with it. Well, that was all. Well, that was interesting. Well, if you reach this point and it's not working for you, it's either your carrier being a butthole or Samsung patched a fix to that. If it's your carrier doing that, there's nothing you can do, I'm sorry. Well, if Samsung released an update that doesn't allow this method anymore, or you can just downgrade your firmware. I already made a tutorial on how to install firmware with Odin, so you may use that. Or just wait for a new method to be uploaded. It will be in the description probably, or a card will show up. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it worked for you. And if you have any questions, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to become a pro. Bye! Thumbs up!